You want what?
I'm trying to do my jaw pressure first.
David's fault, man.
No, I'm trying to do my jaw pressure first.
Oh.
I want in and out.
Oh, Joe would kick your ass.
I want in and out. I want in and out. You know what, Rainbow? On you. You suck. The Dodgers suck.
LA sucks and nothing.
LA sucks. Get your ass back to the French Ticklers Federation.
I'm not really go French kissing to death. Why don't you? Come on now. Yeah. Why are you recording me?
And Joseph.
This is Joe Burt.
Yeah. Triplet ass motherfucker.
Okay, go.
When I get done with your scrawny little ass for calling me fat, you shouldn't be going to shows anymore. You. Fuck. Lost my trouble.
I've been tired of this shit.
What?
Look what you made. Look at Steven. Look at Steven didn't drop my soda. It's fucking bullshit. Shit is all fucking covered in ice.
Hey, you think I put that against already being used cup?
Pee in a cup said it was beer? Yeah, of course.
You should pee in it and give it to like give a snow cup.
Oh, he would so kick my ass.
Huh?
You would so kick my
ass.
Pour some
You're fucking burnt. He just has too much burnt. What's going on with the burnt?
Max has too much caffeine. This is how he gets what he is. Oh, you know what I did one time?
The smaller one. Well,
you like top chips?
Oh, no.
Bert! Bert! Yes! You're gonna make him cry. Oh shit!
Back there, they go back there.